Hello, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. Consider taking a moment to like and subscribe. If you have any videos that you would like me to make, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Today we're going to do a pop-up text. It's simple but effective. It's not going to be a very long video. It's pretty easy to do. So we're going to start off in our edit page. We're going to go up here to effects. We're going to click on titles and we're going to drag a text plus title into our timeline. I'm going to shorten that up. Now what we're going to do is click on it. Over here you can type whatever you like. I'm going to type DaVinci. Seems to be the default word. I'm going to change the font to something a little bigger. We'll just go with impact. I'm going to increase the size a little bit to about so, like that. Then clicking on it, we're going to go over here to our settings tab. For our zoom, we're going to make sure our playhead is at the beginning, and on zoom we're going to take that right down to 0 and we're going to set a keyframe. Then we're going to move ahead 3 frames and do that with your right arrow key. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go back up to zoom, type in 1.25, hit enter. We're going to move ahead another 3 frames. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go back to zoom. We're going to type in 1, enter. Now that's our effect right there. We're going to play that back and we get a quick little pop-up. Just like that. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Now to save that, if you want to use it again, go up here to these 3 dots, show your power bins, and here you have your power bins. I'm going to slide this down so I can see. Click master and just drag that in there. Click where the name is. You can rename it. We'll just name it pop-up text. And now it will always be there for you to use. We could delete this out of here. And if you wanted to use this, you would go to your power bin, click master, drag the one in here that you have saved. And of course it's going to say DaVinci, but you can change that to whatever you want. So there it is, pretty simple. I'm going to show you another little trick quick. We'll just shorten this up some. We're going to bring in 3 more texts. So there's 1. I'm going to hit Shift Z so everything fits. I'm going to shorten this up. I'm going to Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and 1 more time. So we have 3 more texts. I'll just spread them apart a little. Now, they all say custom title. That's fine. You can change that to whatever. But I just want to show you they're just plain text. Now we go to this one where we made our pop-up. We can right click on it, copy. I hit paste. I'm going to get rid of that. We right click on it, we hit copy. We can highlight these 3, right click, and do paste attributes. So everything that was done to this one, the zoom, the scale, and etc., is going to be applied to these. Now if we play that through, we'll see that the custom title is popping up because we copied the attributes and we pasted them to this text. So that's it for today. That's easy. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.